how to stop automatic payments on PayPal. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up the PayPal website. You can just go ahead and do that from any one of your browsers. Now, once inside the PayPal website, you can just go ahead and navigate through the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, and inside the gear icon it will then go ahead and take you through your account information right here. Now inside, you have an option above your screen of payments. You can just go ahead and click on the payment section, and inside you will be able to see your online purchases, your PayPal balance, and below that the automatic payments. You want to navigate through the automatic payments right here, and in my case I have my active ones, which is Microsoft Corporation and the steampower.com. You can just go ahead and choose a automatic payment that you are currently using. In my case, it's going to be the Microsoft Corporation right here. Right after that, you now have the cancel button. You can just go ahead and click on cancel, and you have to finalize that by clicking on the cancel automatic payments. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.